Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to settings, then you should go to system, select reset options, then select last option erase all data factory reset, tap erase all data, and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.